So, very good evening to one and all gathered here. Today, we are going to see the next important segment in operations and supply chain management. So, as per the audience request, so today I'm going to present a session on supply chain applications in shipping industry. Let us see what are the various insights given in the agenda as per the sequential plan as listed here. We will go one by one according to the plan of agenda. First one, let us go with the basic objectives of supply chain management in shipping industry. So what are the primary goals of supply chain management operations in shipping transportation industry? The first one is improving the operational efficiency. So this is one of the most important and primary objective of supply chain management in enhancing the operational efficiency in moving the end items from one location to another location on timely manner without compromising the, the quality of time as well as wastage in the raw material, labor cost and finance. So we have to optimize the logistics cost. At the same time, we need to maximize the operational efficiency. The most effective use of time and resource will contribute to the great improvement as a significant importance of supply chain operation. Next one, minimizing the cost of end items. Another important objective of supply chain management is to cut down various unnecessary operational cost in supply chain operation. So through proper management of supply chain, a company can able to identify which are all the most critical area which tries to raise the cost of transportation, identify those particular section and lower the cost of purchasing raw material, equipment, cost of production and supply of raw materials and mode of using the transportation. Next one, ensuring the product quality. So while cost reduction is considered to be one of the main primary crucial parameter, so product quality must be guaranteed by its own nature. So the quality products are highly essential for the basic customer satisfaction. So this cannot be satisfied until and unless if the customer are not felt much comfortable in receiving the products with better quality. So every customers will not get compromised with improper quality of the product. So with this few basic insights, now we will move on to the introduction to supply chain management operations in shipping industry. So what are the basic main, the core important things carried out in the shipping industry? How supply chain applications can be applied in a better efficient way? So let us see. See, the shipping industry involves coordinating and optimizing the primary flow of goods and various services, gathering the information from different origin to destination. So it involves sourcing of raw materials from potential suppliers, then then production of raw material into finished goods and delivering the finished goods to end customers. So with this few introduction, now we will see what are the various key themes of the supply chain management orient to the shipping operation. So the key aspects of maritime supply chain management. So what are the different uh, the focus areas as listed here? Let us see one by one. First one is coordination of flows. The supply chain management in shipping operation ensures the continuous movement of goods across various transportation modes, say multimodal supply chain system. Then better collaboration. It involves better collaboration between various stakeholders like different shipping lines, freight forwarders, port operators, etc., and customs authorities. The next one, efficiency and optimization of supply chain management. How? The supply chain management aims to optimize various processes by reducing the cost of end items, by minimizing the transit times, say movement of goods from origin to destination, and improving the overall performance efficiency of shipping. Next one, visibility and tracking. Using latest technological tools, we can able to have a better visibility right from the sourcing to delivery by enabling the better tracking of goods and identifying what are all the potential delays due to natural disruptions. Then risk management. That is one of the other key aspects of maritime supply chain management. So SCM helps to identify the risk associated with various potential disruptions like weather conditions, due to that related delays as well as port congestions, etc. And second thing is importance of supply chain management in shipping industry. The first thing is we can go for expansion of trade facilitation through global level, international level, across various continents and markets. Then cost reduction. So going for optimized supply chain operation process, we can save huge cost in various areas like transportation, inventory, and warehousing. Then improve transit times. Efficient supply chain management helps to reduce the transit times by ensuring that whether the goods have reached the destination point faster or not by meeting out the customer satisfaction point. Then increase customer satisfaction due to timely and reliable deliveries that makes the customer satisfaction more at par excellence rate. Next, high competitive edge in business. So this improves the company's strategic partnership by maintaining strong supply chain practices by being more responsive to customer needs. Then what are the challenges in maritime supply chain management? Sustainability and technological advancement. So by showing more focus on sustainable practices in shipping industry, by integrating latest technology like IoT and other leading cutting edge technologies in shipping industries, so we can adapt ourselves to the ever changing environment according to the demand of latest technology by investing more in new systems and process development. And what are the various key activities performed in supply chain management for shipping? First one is sourcing. Here, we have to identify the potential suppliers and manufacturers for getting the raw materials and components. Next one is production, managing the manufacturing and assembly of goods. Then the third one is storing after manufacturing. So we have to identify the proper storage yard and managing the inventory in warehouse and distribution centers. Then transportation, coordinating the well-connected movement of goods by sea, land, and air. Then distribution, delivering the efficient movement of goods to customer through various channels. The last one is data integration or information management, tracking goods by managing various customer orders, sharing of information through the supply chain. So with this few basic insights about the supply chain operations in shipping industry, now we are going to have one simple case study. Um, Consider a leading shipping transportation firm, logistics firm. So it experiences a frequent challenges like high increasing transportation cost in shipping the items from source to destination, and that leads to have decline in customer satisfaction due to delays in operating the goods between source to destination. So what are all the possible way to improve the operational efficiency and market competitiveness? Let us see here. The problem identified in this case study, optimizing the shipping logistics for better maximum efficiency. So the problem here is the shipping company experience frequent transportation delay due to increase in high cost of raw material and poor planning of port operations. So this uh, potentially impact the customer satisfaction and profitability of the company. So this is the problem statement. And what are the solution proposed here in this case study? The first one is strategic partnership, collaborating with the various leading suppliers, transportation providers, and strong port authorities. So we can able to speed up the smooth operations in bringing out the goods on time to the market by improving the customer satisfaction without any delay by following the legal procedures as per the government rule. Then technology integration. So digitalizing various information by real-time tracking through electronic documentation and data analytics to optimize the logistics flow. Then data-driven decision making. Analyze the various raw data by identifying the various challenges, say bottlenecks in optimizing the routes of shipping items across the seaways and improving the better resource allocation by optimizing the routes without any obstacles. Then the proposed outcome as given here by modernizing the strategic partnership, leading technology advancement, and the data-driven decision making, we can able to have a better reduced turnaround time by lowering the transportation cost by keeping uh, hands-on touch with the various digital electronic gadgets. So that will update the movement of the transportation flow every now and then to the customer, and thus increase the customer satisfaction by being more competitiveness in the business. So with this, I conclude the today's session. So for an effective supply chain management in shipping industry, so we need to improve the efficiency as well as the cost effectiveness of moving the items across various cross borders by following the safe procedures, then ensuring efficient and timely movement of goods by optimizing various routes, mode of transportation by proper selection, then implementing various risk management strategies by mitigating various natural disruptions in the supply chain, such as weather-related delays and port congestion, etc. So with this, I thank you all. If you have any further suggestions for better improvement, so you can post your comments in the feedback, the comment section. Thank you, one and all.